In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily clean your oven. Often look like this, okay, maybe not that bad, but I would understand if you do not feel like cleaning your oven right after baking, and it gets worse and worse with every baking process. However, instead of buying some chemicals and expensive products to clean your oven, you can make it clean with baking powder, vinegar, and water. Now I would like to show you how you do this first. You need a pot of baking dishes, which you can also put it in the oven. Next, put 80 grams of baking powder in the pot. Add 50 to 70 milliliter of water, then add a dash of vinegar and stir the mixture with the spoon. Now let it foam and wait a bit in the end. The mixture should not be super liquid, but also not slushy. Once you have stirred the whole thing thoroughly so that the baking powder has completely dissolved, you can spread it in your oven. Now the paste looks like this. It is best to put on gloves and use a sponge or cloth. Use these to grease the mixture in the entire oven in places where your oven is particularly dirty. You put a lot of paste on it after you have covered your whole oven. With this mixture, there should be a small amount left in the pot. Place this pot in the middle of the oven. Now set your oven to 100 degrees and let it run for an hour during this time. The mixture of baking powder, water, and vinegar should do their job and soften all the stains. After the hour is over, your oven will look like this. Then you can simply wipe off the stains with a damp cloth. If there are persistent stains and you're open, like in mine, you may have to wipe a little more and start a second process. Nevertheless, this method works very well, and the result is impressive with this method. You can clean your oven without using chemicals or other cleaners, which are much more expensive, of course, is the best way to clean your oven regularly so that the oven does not get too dirty. But when it's too late, this cleanup is perfect. It couldn't be easier. I hope that this video can help you. Be very happy to get a thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment about your experience with this baking powder and vinegar mixture for cleaning your oven. Please buy this product, link to the description, and promote my channel.